If you're in need of alternative medications for your native chickens, probably have a lot of questions, such as, will it is more effective to control infections? Does it improve the immune response of the flock? Or even, how can it help the consumers of the processed native chicken? We have years of experience in raising native chickens in thousands of numbers and using our developed phytomedicines. Phytomedicines are alternative medications derived from plant extracts that have undergone a series of studies to establish the standard processing, concentration, and packaging for it to be users-friendly. We are introducing the CPU garlic tea, a new innovation that helps to prevent and control infections due to Staphylococcus aureus. All you need is to submerge a tea bag over 15 liters of clean drinking water overnight and offer it in the morning among the chickens. It also enhances the growth performances of your native chickens by enhancing the immune response of the infected flock. Our studies further showed that it effectively reduces the cholesterol and uric acid level in the meat and eggs of treated chickens. A healthy and safer option in mitigating the Staphylococcus aureus while producing nutritious native chicken products. So what are you waiting for? You could contact the given numbers for more information and orders.
Magandang araw mga ka-native. Saan kayong bahagi ng Pilipinas, sa ating mga OFW dyan sa labas ng Pilipinas, magandang araw po sa inyo. Sana po nandyan po kayo sa mabuting kalagayan. At saka sa ating mga ka-native naman, siguro still in the process of learning. Pwede bang wag na kayong mag-direkta na pumasok po sa komersyal na pamaraan po. Tandaan po natin, napakamahal kasi ng tuition fee dito sa Philippine Native Chicken. pag commercial scale po, pwede bang dahan-dahanin nyo muna? Bakit po? It is because that hindi kasi lahat ng technology, hindi lahat ng technology po aangkop po sa pangangailangan po ninyo. Yung kung bakit na dito sa Philippine Native Chicken po, sa ating page po, the technical support services that we have, na palagi yan. Isa yan sa mga commitment ng Central Philippine University. Yung kung bakit yung presidente namin dito na Dr. Choroso Robles na pumapaabot po ng kanyang papasalamat po sa lahat ng mga ka-native natin dito sa Pilipinas, and even for some from the other countries or the races from the countries that found our presentation or the technology that we have dito po sa Central Philippine University, suited in their place, they can adapt the technology. And maybe you can make some modification. Given right now the artificial intelligence technology, you can translate the wordings that I have, mga salita ko dito in your own language, and have it be shared to your country, to your countrymen. So, ngayong gabi po, we'll be continue on discussing. At least kahit paano po, this is only a 15 minutes presentation. This is one way that the College of Agriculture, Resources, and Environmental Sciences makatulong po sa inyo mga ka-native. Marami kasing nagtatanong, Dok, kailan ba yung seminar natin or webinar? Hindi na muna. Kasi ang tingin ko dito is that dito po sa Central Philippine University, lalo na po dito sa Philippine Native Chicken, ang tinitingnan po natin dito is, pag-usapan po natin is industriya. Yung bakit at if possible, the learning process that you can have it, pwede bang sulit naman. Otherwise kasi, marami kasi you will be engaging in a number of training or seminars or webinars, and then after all, pagkatapos, hindi nyo magamit, sayang. At saka kung magamit mo naman, the support services naman is hindi naman kaganda. Kasi ang isa palagi sa nakita natin is that regardless of how the technology it is, the complicacy of operating the project, nandoon yan. Kailangan mo kasi pag if you have some problems, you can have it be shared doon sa tingin nyo, maasahan nyo, at saka you have the trust and confidence sa mga pinagsasabi niya, have it be done. Para at least makatulong po dyan sa inyo. Tandaan natin na dito sa Philippine Native Chicken, we are always valuing the money that you have. Tandaan natin, kasi sabi ko palagi dito sa staff ko, is that sa person namin dito, pwede bang isipin natin that it is also our own money. Na kung pera mo yan, ano bang gawin mo para na kung saan po, masiguro mo na kung saan maiayos yung panggasto to the point that you will be earning something na kung saan po it will also bring return on your pocket. Tandaan po natin na hindi naman kasi araw-araw yung bulsa po nyo makapal. Darating yung panahon na kung saan po pag counter yung pondo nyo, magiging problema natin. No, baka makapag-isip-isip na po kayo. No, bakit gasto ka ng gastos, no, walang balik. Yung ko bakit na palagi sinasabi ko, no, is that na pili bang if you'll be engaging in this kind of business or project, no, pili bang wag nyong umpisahan that you would like to raise native chicken. But pili bang umpisahan natin how much you would like to earn as profit using native chicken as your base enterprise. Now, ngayong gabi po pag-usapan natin because in the previous episodes that we have, no, halos ang dami kasi ng mga feedback namin dito in the private message that we have. Please, if possible po, pakisulat yan sa baba, no, sa ating comment section yung mga tanong po ninyo para at least in the next episodes that we have, no, maitalakay po natin. Now, ang tanong palagi is that na with the number of followers that we have and likers that we have mga kanitib dito natin, if you're going to evaluate the assist all the questions that you're giving to us, no, either in private message or a comment, ang isa dyan is in terms of what they call sakit. Tandaan natin, kahit gaano po kabagsik ang antibiotic ni bigay po nyo sa manok nyo masakit, for as long as the practices that you have, for as long as the environment that you have hindi maayos, kahit anong karami pa ng pantambal ang gamitin nyo, the problem in terms of controlling or preventing the infection will only be temporary. Temporary lang po. Maybe in the effectivity na habang nandun pa yung pantambal mo, habang na yung effective pa sa hindi pa sa nalulusaw, no, it could temporarily stop the spread of infection, but after a while sigurado ka balik yan. Now, bakit nasasabi natin yan? It is because that no, kasi in the Philippine native chicken, ang ginagawa po natin is that we are more of what they call the utilization of what they call the plant extracts. Ano kasi hindi pa naman kami ganun ka equip na with our facilities and equipment dito sa CPU, na kung saan po ang we are basing also our yung kung bakit that if you can recall some of the old videos that we have, palagi yung sabi natin doon is that na more on what they call the findings of others, but right now po nakita po natin is that na mikrobyo po hindi po yan madali yan i-controlin ang mga sakit na yan. Ang isa sa consideration na palagi natin is in terms of what they call the housing that you have. Housing. Tandaan po natin, hindi po natin kailangan ang sobrang laking housing on native chicken. We have developed various design and various sizes of housing po. Hindi mo kailangan ang malaking housing. Yung kung bakit that the housing that we have presented, no, para naka-pen, na kung saan po ang size po standardized 4x8. The reason behind it is in terms of practicality. Hindi naman kasi lahat tayo, no, have the ample resources na pagsabihin natin na okay na to, no, siguro kaya mong pang bigyan lahat ng panggastos. But remember, in your first year of operation, with the total expenses that you'll be having, hanggang darating ng panahon na maka-harvest pa kayo o makabinta kayo, if you'll be lucky enough to have it, ang housing investment nyo pa lang entails about mga 70 to 75% of your investment cost. Ganon po katindi yan. Ang tanong ngayon is that na pili bang wag nyo pong gulpihin, dahan-dahan lang. Yung ko bakit that the design that we have is somewhat like in a pen. Para ipebara sabihin mo, sa ngayon ang kaya ko lang is mga 5 pen based on the resources that I have. Tandaan po natin, if you construct the pen malagyan po nyo ng manok, ang operation cost, ang pambili po ninyo ng other feeds niya, ilaw, tubig, and others po, kailangan po nyo yan. Yung kung bakit nasabi namin is that kasi this is also the product of the feedback coming from our participants din sa various training that we conducted dito po sa may Central Philippine University. Yung kung bakit that pili bang gawin natin, practicality and profitability is the core of this technology. Productivity is nothing if there is no profit. Yung kung bakit sa madarating ng panahon, na madarating ng mga episodes natin, we'll be discussing productivity versus profitability. Okay? That is in terms of the economics. Now, sakit. Ang tanong palagi is that Doc, saan ba pwede makabili ng pantambal na gawa po ninyo? Dito po yan sa Central Philippine University po. With the video clips that we have, yung maliliit, yung maikling mga video clips namin, mga short videos that we have, nakalagay doon yung mga number na pili po nyo kontakin. Pasensya ng konti kung minsan yung pag-reply po is medyo matagalan. Kasi yung tauhan namin dito, no, kaunti po kami. No? All in all, 6 po kami. No, operating the feed mill, the production, recording, pati marketing, lahat po, 6 lang po kami. No, yung kung bakit na medyo matagalan ng konti. But, sabi ko palagi, if you remember in some of my early videos dito, sabi ko, if you have the ample time to prepare for your own medication para po sa plaque nyo, pili ba kayo na lang gumawa dyan? Bakit po? Para at least makasave po tayo. Ano ibig sabihin? If you can save in terms of your expenses in procuring the medications, at least yung kita papasok po sa bulsa ninyo. Even though that we are selling also the product in not an expensive, at an affordable price. But if possible po, kaya sabi ko palagi, if you have the opportunity to prepare, please prepare for it. Kung sa palagay niya naman, kulang kayo sa time, then that is the time when you are going to contact us. Paki-contact lang sa number dyan na naka-display po sa ating page sa mga kailangan po ninyo. Pero tandaan natin, ang sakit po, gaya ng sabi ko na kahit na ano ang gawin ninyo na pantambal, kung ang paligid ninyo, ang housing po ninyo, hindi sa appropriate, infection will recurring and recurring again and again. Yung kung bakit na pilibang, ayusin muna natin yung housing. Sa mga housing po natin is that na sa mga nagtatanong dyan ng mga design na yan, final na po yan. Makikita yung itim sa taas yan, ito is what we call the UV net. That is a 50% UV net. Yung sa ilalim is UV plastic. Baka sabihin nyo sobrang mahal, ay nako, mas mura yan kumpara sa NIPA po. At saka bilis kasi i-install yan. And it will last even for, yung plastic niyan, it will last even for 10 to 15 years. Yung net naman, you can replace it every 3 to 4 years. Now, ang init kasi is very critical in terms of the health of your chicken. Alam nyo kasi ang isa sa pinakabisang disinfectant is the sunlight. Pili bang i-allow natin na makapasok yung sunlight? Hindi naman to the point that it will be very intense. Yung bakit na yung pinakahuli na makita po niya development namin dito in CPU, no? Meron na yung UV net sa taas kasi yung purpose niyan, no? Pag hapon, minsan mainit, saka nakakapagod po. Umupo palagi sa opisina. Ang ginagawa ko kasi bumababa ako doon at saka magtrabaho doon. Tama sabi natin na kung saan po, that is also one way on how you can relieve from stress. No? Yung kung bakit nilagyan natin. And beside, no, because of the temperature in right now, na sobrang init. But, kahit wala yan in your areas, PD po. That is only secondary. Ang primary na makikita nyo sa ngayon, yung housing na yan na walang cover po, yung 4x8 na yan na pahaba po, PD na yan. No? You can copy it. Basta tandaan nyo, the dimension of it is 4x8. Ang width na is 4 feet. Yung kanyang tawag dito, yung kanyang length is 8 feet. Yung taas po, kayo na pong bahala. In areas na kung saan po na medyo mahangin, pili pa nyo babaan ng konti yan. But in areas na mainit, nakakabit na kung saan ang pinakamataas na bahagi, yung sa pinakapindulo niyang bahagi, yung sa pinakatutok no doon, habit be around mga 7 feet ang taas. Okay na yan. At least more than enough. Basta tandaan nyo, ang ginagamit dyan is what they call the UV net. Now, ngayon ang tanong, Doc, what if kung wala? Basta ang sa akin, kahit nipang gamitin nyo dyan, local materials, have it be used. Basta importante, have it be treated against termite in bukbuk. Otherwise kasi mabilis na mabulok yan. Now, the housing by itself is very critical in terms of your controlling the infection. Bakit po? Pag mahina ang ventilasyon, problema nyo yan. At 2 to 5% accumulated carbon dioxide inside the housing, it will lead on to the infection known as what they call common respiratory diseases. And one of the pathogen of it is the Mycoplasma galliaceticum. Ibig sabihin po, pag hindi magandang ventilasyon, sipon, ubo, halak ang problema ninyo. Yung kung bakit pili ba, kung makikita yung mga dingding namin, halos net yan, nalagyan na yan ng rolling curtain that in terms when the weather is inclement na medyo maginaw o saka umulan, binababa lang yan. But in terms naman to, pag maganda yung panahon, napakyat yan. That is in terms of the housing. Yung kung bakit that the housing per se is very critical when you speak about infection. Design by itself, the flow of the wind, the ventilation in and out of the housing, no, is very critical. Yung pagpasok ng init is also critical, and even the way and how you are going to clean the housing. Bakit? Sabihin natin alikabok. Sa mga housing yung tingnan po nyo, pasukin po ninyo yung alikabok. Kasi ang alikabok kasi, pag hindi mo nakuha yan, lahat ng mga insekto, baka doon tumira. And what will happen? Especially for the mites or the blood-sucking insect. Pag ginagat yung manok nyo, hindi lang manok yan, pati kayo. Yung kung bakit. Kasi yung GI pipe na yan, kahit sabihin natin medyo may kamahalan ng konti. Kaya nga sabi ko ang ina is that na what we design is that they somewhat like in a pen. Para at least pag medyo kulang yung capital po natin, we can have it designed by pen para dahan-dahan yung pagdagdag natin ng pen hanggang mabuo yung gusto natin sa ating lugar o sa ating pagpamanunukan. Kasi hindi mahirap linisin yan. Na kahit yung matubigan, the way and how we prepare it, even yung patukaan po, pati yung lighting po, makikita po nyo dyan sa aming mga design. You can have it be copied. Walang problema yan. No, wag nyo lang po ibenta kasi nakapatent yan. Baka minta nyo, baka mabalangay po kayo sa langanin kasi nakapatent yan. That is one way and how we can protect the design that we develop. Kasi kahit saan nyo po nyo hanapin, no, hindi po kayo makakita ng housing design like that one. Because it is a project that we have dito po sa Central Philippine University. And that is one way and how we can reduce the cost associated in controlling infection. Isa kasi sa may pinakamalaking bahagi ng gastusin is yung paano i-control ang sakit. Hindi lang yan sa patuka. Hindi lang yan sa patuka. Yung kung bakit that we're discussing the housing design is very critical, na pakipalo lang po. Makikita po nyo yan. And hindi naman doon malimit yan. Tingnan nyo, you can enlarge it because na yung mga pixel yan medyo malaki-laki rin ng konti. So tandaan natin ha, basta ang infection, if possible, sa mga short videos natin nakalagay naman doon, no, yung tawag dito yung contact if ever na wala po kayong panahon to prepare, na you can contact Ma'am Dana. Tandaan po natin yung mga binigay po namin dito na pantambal po that is proven and tested right here in our laboratory. Hindi po yan haka-haka po. And that is what we are using here. So again, Lord, maraming salamat po sa pag-subaybay at pagsama sa amin dito sa Philippine Native Chicken. Sana po mapakishare ng aming programa sa mga kakilala po ninyo na sa tingin po niyo makatulong ang Philippine Native Chicken. Sa hindi pa nakapag-like, naka-share po, naka-like, naka-follow o naka-subscribe, no, kindly have it be done para po every time that we have this kind of program, you will be immediately notified, no, by the Facebook or YouTube, no. Again, this is your host, Dr. Jaime C. Cabaisunyo, na mamati po sa inyo na magandang araw, God bless, and keep safe. No? Hanggang naman sa susunod na episode ng ating programa.
Is free-range native chicken susceptible to internal parasites? The native chicken in the free-range condition is loaded with internal parasites when they reach 2 months and older. Raisers believe that raising native chicken in free-range conditions is cheaper than semi-controlled conditions. However, the infections due to internal parasites threaten the flock's health. The presence of these organisms creates stress among the infected chickens and makes them vulnerable to other pathogens. Our field studies showed that the chicks aging 2 to 3 months old have a vast population of internal parasites. The roundworm, Ascaridia galli, was the prominent species among the parasites. This worm is the reason for having native chickens with bigger body sizes, but has lighter live weight. Latter, the infections like chronic respiratory infections, infectious coryza, and others follow due to the lower immune response of the said chicken. When do the internal parasites start to infect the chicken? The infection started as early as a few weeks old. The grazing behavior of chicks with their hen allows the former to acquire viable roundworm eggs either in grass, soil, or even in contaminated equipment. Once it enters the gastrointestinal tract of the chicks, it will start to incubate and hatch. The conditions within the gastrointestinal tract favor the hatching of eggs and the growth of larvae of roundworms. It will take about 3 to 4 weeks to hatch. After hatching, it will take 35 days for the larvae to become sexually mature and begin to shed their eggs. When is the best time to administer dewormers? Apply a dewormer as early as 3 to 4 weeks old, and have it be done every 2 weeks. Possibly, select anthelmintics having ovicidal effects. The active compound within such a dewormer can lead the fertile eggs into unviable ones for hatching. The applied dewormer can cause death to larvae and the developing embryos in the eggs through these actions.